Hang on. Okay, folks, this is a table that, as you can see, slides across. Yeah, go ahead, you're good. So you can see how it slides like this. Pretty cool engineered piece. And then this has a leaf, which you can look at here. And that top piece comes off. It's a little humid, so it's tough right now to get off. Once it goes through finish, it'll be fine. You'll see him pull that off. Then that pops off, like so. Then you can see the hinges, and then it picks up like so. And it has extensions. And voila! You've got a nice large table now, and as you can see, he's sliding it down. Beautiful. Thank you.